Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very special guest joining me, my lovely daughter, Alana. She's visiting for a short spell, and since it's that time of the year, she's going to help decorate for Halloween. She's not the only one helping in today's video. I would also like to thank Polymaker for providing all of the filament used to print these 10 fun models. Let's get into it. The first model we are going to showcase is this extra large capacity candle bowl / flower pot by QCraft. We printed this one in Polylite PLA Pro Orange. Just imagine how much candy you can pack into this skull. No assembly required on this one. Next up, we have the Skeleton Kit Card Tinkercad by High Desert 3D. Whereas the last model did not require any assembly, this little guy is just itching to be put together. So grab one of your kids, or someone else's kid, and get to building. Polymaker's PLA Pro White is a perfect match for his bone white exterior. Want an accessory you can wear all month long? Then look no further to this Halloween Headbands Ghost by M Design. These little spooks will certainly add a little fun to your October. Now for another print that will take a little bit of assembly. Here we have the Hanging Halloween Tea Light Spider by Christian. My lovely assistant will show you one of the tricks that you need to know to assemble this spooky decoration. Not all of the doors are the same. One of these is a little bit different and it will fit in the piece of printed material that has the rings. There you can see the rings. So that special little door or window or whatever you want to call it fits in there. It took us a little bit of time to figure that one out. I can't wait to hang this one up. Now we have a fun decoration that is sure to please every ghost and ghoul that happens upon your homestead. This is the Happy Halloween Wall Decor by Barry. Most of this model was printed in Polymaker PLA Pro Black, and the spooky letters are in orange, of course. Another fun decoration that you and your family will look forward to hanging every year. Want to spruce up a countertop or your desk? Then look no further than the Happy Halloween sign 3 by Rakenra. It's the perfect way to add a little bit of fun to any environment. Feeling fidgety? Maybe on a sugar overload? Well, tame those restless digits or take out a zombie or two with this fidget retractable shuriken toy by Evan Muhaha. It's fun, it's fidgety, and maybe even deadly. No, seriously, don't throw that thing. Here is another model that you can print to keep your hands busy all year long. This is the Halloween Skullman Articulated and Keychain by Flexi Jimga. I thought it was such a fun model, I printed several so this kid could take some with her to spread the Halloween joy. The next two models are great ones to assemble with someone you enjoy spending time with. First up, we have the Hollow Knight Diorama Queen's Garden Bench by Flavia. There are a couple versions, and one even works as a desk lamp. We put together the non-lamp version. You'll probably need some good glue and some snips to get everything to fit perfectly, but that's all part of the fun. Isn't this both spooky and adorable? And finally, we have the Witch's Hearth Witch's Cauldron Tea Light by Max Design. Both this model and the last model feature Polymaker's Red Translucent PETG. This model is easy to assemble and so much fun to display. Just the right amount of spooky ambiance. All right, that wraps it up. Alana and I need to go decorate the house now. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I enjoy the time that we get to spend here together on the channel, so let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone. Fidget retractable. Okay, let's turn on retractable.